So for a WES, it is an extension of a WCS. So WCS, again, stands for Warehouse Control System. A WES is a Warehouse Execution System. So in its whole, a WES incorporates a WCS. But instead of just pushing data as it's received, either based on a preset priority from a WMS or based on a FIFO first in, first out timestamp, it actually analyzes your surroundings to disseminate that information more efficiently. So look at your environment. What are my staffing levels in this area? What are my inventory levels on this area? What are my high movers at this time? So it's a way to optimize the distribution of data based on your environment to get a more productive output, as opposed to just pushing data in the order that it's received. And that's what a warehouse execution system does.